Today we're going to be going over 1.5F2. Which number could contain the number 67? Mark your answer. So I'm going to look here and I'm going to say, which one's going to be the number, what could be 67? Well, I know 67 is not greater than 76 because 67 has 6 tens and 76 has 7. So that cannot be the correct answer. Let's plug 67 in here. Well, I know 67 cannot be less than 43 because 67 has 6 tens and 43 has 4. So here's 59 is greater than 67. Again, 59 has 5 tens and 67 has 6. And here's 39 is less than 67. Well, I know 39 has 3 tens, which is less than 6 tens. So I know my answer would be this last one. So I'm going to fill in that bubble, or you can circle it. Number 2, fill in the blanks. So I know each of these represents a group of 10. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I have 60, and I'm going to add 3 more, which is 63. I also see that here it is an expanded form. So 60 plus 3 is 63. Here I have 10, 20, 30, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 7 is 37. If I was to write 30 plus 7 in expanded form, in standard form it would be 37. Nestor counts his coins to determine the value of his collection. Which shows what Nestor says when he counts his coins? Mark your answer. Well, I see Nestor put them in groups of pennies. So I think Nestor may be counting by twos. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I wonder if any of those look like that. I know I need to have 18 cents when I'm done. So I'm going to look at that last number. That's 9 cents. This one's 45 cents. This one ends in 18 and starts with 2, so I see it skip counting by 2. I'm going to come back here. And this is 90, so I know they're counting by tens. I'm going to double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That one is the correct answer. Show 3 o'clock on each clock. Okay, well, I'm going to start with my analog clock. I know the hour hand is shorter and it's going to be pointing at the 3. I know the minute hand is longer and it's going to point to the 12 because I'm starting a new hour. I know this colon separates my hours and my minutes. So I'm going to have 0, 3, and then I'm going to have 0, 0 or o'clock to represent the 12. So it's 3 o'clock. You can also not have that 0 there. That's fine. How can you use addition to solve this problem? Okay, so I know 6 minus something equals 2. So if I have 6 and I subtract something, I'm going to be left with 2. So I could say, what plus 2 equals 6? So 2 plus something equals 6, and I could count on to figure out that something because I know 2 plus something else is equal to 6. Maple has 2 brothers. She has 1 less brother than Conley. How many brothers does Conley have? Write the answer in the box. We know Maple has 2 brothers. She has 1 less brother than Conley. So we're going to subtract 1. How many brothers does Conley have? Well, if I know I have 2 minus 1, okay, sorry. So we know Maple has 2 brothers and she has 1 less brother than Conley. How many brothers does Conley have? So they're saying here Conley has 2 brothers. And we know this is Maple has 1 less than 2. So Maple has to have, here's that 1, and she has to have 2 more. So she has 3 brothers. Conley has 3 brothers. Maple has 2. Which number completes both these equations? Okay, well, I know 14 equals something plus 9, or something plus 6 equals 11. So I'm going to start at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to count on to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I know that's 5. Let me double check my work. I'm starting at 9. I'm going to count on to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 3 and 2 more, which is 5. That is reasonable and makes sense. There are 18 rubber bands in a drawer. 8 of the rubber bands are black. The rest are brown. How many rubber bands are not black? Okay, we know there's 18 in a drawer. We know 8 are black. So we're trying to figure out how many are not black. So we have our 18 rubber bands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I made these like a 10 frame because that's easier for me to think about. Now I know 8 are black, so I'm going to color my black ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to know how many are not black. Well, I see if I take these 2 and I put them over here, I can make another group of 10. So I know 10 are not black.